I'm John Ronquillo, 32 years old, from Cubao, Quezon City, and I've been working for 13 years na. I would say mga nagustuhan ko sa work ko ngayon, yung work from home, of course, yung flexibility. At the same time, right now, I'm focusing on my well-being, so I can able to work out. Mga inspirations ko, of course, family ko. Pangalawa, of course, yung goals ko. Hopefully, makapag-start ako sarili kong business sooner or later. Nabago ng mga trabaho ko yung sa buhay ko, nakakatulong ako sa family ko, nakapag-provide ako ng mga pangangailangan namin, of course. Itong trabaho ko ngayon, of course, mahal ko siya. Marami ako natututunan, and at the same time, marami ring mga nakilala, of course. Sobrang saya yung mga natahak sa akin kasi yun yung nahanap ko na yung ideal company ko. I think yung masashare ko na naidulot sa akin is, of course, yung na-influence ko rin yung mga kakilala ko to kung saan ako nakahanap, job street. At the same time, lahat ng mga gusto ko, nabibili ko. At also, marami akong learnings na natutunan along the way. Ako rin nahihirapan din naman ako mag-anap ng trabaho from time to time, of course, but don't give up, keep on trying and just apply 100 applications. All we need is one. Well, unang-una, masasabi ko kay JobStreet is thank you for giving me 2 ideal jobs that I used to work with and currently working with. So, I'm grateful for that because yung mga values na nahanap kong companies, yun yung mga hinahanap ko rin. Hi, I'm John, and I found the job that I love from JobStreet by Seek.